Hi, welcome to English Academy 101. My name is Michael, and I'm here to help you with your English learning journey. Today, we are going to learn about the present continuous verb conjugation in English. First, we are going to look at how to conjugate in the present continuous. Then, we will learn when to use and not use the present continuous tense. Lastly, we will look at several examples to help make sure that you completely understand this very important English conjugation. If you would like to skip ahead to any part in today's lesson, we have added video chapters below that you can select. In general, the present continuous tense is made from the present simple tense of the verb to be and the main verb plus ing. Let's start with the positive conjugation. I am, or I'm, if you want to use a contraction, plus verb and ing. You are, or you're, plus verb and ing. He, she, it, is, or he's, she's, it's, plus verb and ing. We are, or we're, plus verb and ing. They are, or they're, plus verb and ing. As you can see, it is very important to know the present simple conjugation of the verb to be. If you need some more practice, check out this video. The link is in the description below. The negative conjugation for the present continuous is I am not, or I'm not, if you want to use a contraction, plus verb and ing. You are not, or you're not, or you aren't. Both work here, plus verb and ing. He, she, it is not, or he's, she's, it's not, or he isn't, she isn't, it isn't. Again, both options work here, plus verb and ing. We are not, or we're not, or we aren't, plus verb and ing. They are not, or they're not, or they aren't, plus verb and ing. As you can see, with the contractions, for several of the conjugations, there is more than one option. In the question form, we need to switch the order. Previously, it was subject plus verb. Now, it is the auxiliary verb to be plus subject plus verb and ing. For example, am I plus verb and ing. Are you plus verb and ing. Is he, she, it plus verb and ing. Are we plus verb and ing. Are they plus verb and ing. But why do we use the present continuous verb conjugation? The present continuous is used in English to talk about actions that are happening right now. For example, I am studying English right now. You are watching a movie. He is not studying for his exam. We are eating dinner. They are going to school right now. The present continuous can also be used to talk about events that are happening right now but are not yet finished. For example, I am reading a great book. This indicates that I am in the process of reading a book, but I am not yet finished. It can also mean that I might not be reading at this exact moment. You are cooking dinner. This indicates you are in the process of cooking dinner, but are not yet finished. It can also mean that you might not be in the kitchen right at this moment, but that something is in the oven and is in the process of being prepared. She is learning French. This indicates she is in the process of learning French. For example, she is taking French classes. However, she might not be in class right at this moment. We are eating dinner. This indicates that we are eating dinner. However, maybe we had to answer the door, so we aren't eating dinner right at this second. They are taking a test. This indicates that they are in the process of taking a test. However, maybe it is a long test and they are on a break right now. However, there are certain verbs that you can't use the present continuous tense with, namely stative verbs. These verbs show a state of being. Some common ones include like, love, hate, appear, believe, fit, sound, remember. When using stative verbs, you should just use the present tense. For example, I am liking chocolate ice cream is incorrect. I like chocolate ice cream is correct. Therefore, the two main reasons we can use the present continuous verb conjugation are to describe an event that is happening at the exact moment of speech, and to describe an event that is taking place now, but not at the exact moment of speech. Now, let's take a look at how we might use the present continuous verb conjugation in a real-life conversation. Here are two friends talking on the phone.
Hi Beth. How's it going?
Hi Sue, I'm good. And you?
I am good too. I just wanted to call and ask, what are you doing?
Nothing much, I am just watching TV now. And you?
I am cooking dinner. Do you want to come over?
Sure. I am leaving right now.
If you would like some more practice with present continuous verb conjugation, check out our website, EnglishAcademy101.com, where we have included some additional exercises. We have included a link in the description below. That's it for now. Don't forget to keep studying your English.